Today we're going to be working on TEK 1.4C1. So the first thing we're going to do is solve these three problems. You can solve them however you want. You can use counters, manipulatives, you can draw a picture. So for this, I'm going to use my double 10 frames, and I'm going to do them like this. So I know I have 17, which is 10, and 5, which is 15, and 2 more, which is 17. And I'm going to take away 3. 1, 2, 3. So that means I have 10 and 4, which is 14. For this one, I have 18. I'm going to count on and get to 1 more, which is 19. And for this one, I have 12, and I'm going to add 6 more. Again, I want to use my double 10 frames for this. You do not have to solve it this way. This is just a suggestion. So I know I'm going to have 10 with a group of 2, and I'm going to have 6 more, which is 5 and 1. So I have my 10, 11, 12, 13, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, one more. And so I know I have 18. Show 3 ways to represent the number 15. So I could represent it with base 10 blocks. I could show one group of 10 and 5 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I could represent it in standard form. I could represent it in expanded form, 10 plus 5. I could represent it by using 15 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. These are all different ways I could have represented the number 15. Jose has 8 cubes. He gives 2 cubes to Lane. Find the number sentence that shows how many cubes Jose has left. Well, I know he has 8 cubes, and I know he's separating, so I'm going to be losing 2. And I know when he loses 2, he's left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm looking for a number sentence that's going to look similar to this. So this one says 8 minus 6 equals 2. Well, I know I could switch the 6 and the 2, and 8 minus 6 would be 2, so that is possible. This says 6 plus 2 equals 8. No, because I'm not adding. This says 8 minus 2 equals 6. This looks exactly like what I had. He had 8, he lost 2, he's left with 6. This is 8 plus 2 is 10. That means I'm joining 2 more, which I'm not. So even though this one looks similar, I'm looking for exactly what the problem said. So this would be my correct answer. Compare these two shapes. Tell them one way they are the same and one way they are different. So I could say both of these shapes have sides. Both of these shapes have vertices. I could say they're different because a triangle has 3 sides while a square has 4 sides. I could say both these shapes are regular shapes because they have an equal number of sides with the same length. I could say they're both closed figures. What is the total value of all these coins? Well, I'm going to start off by looking and saying, well, these are nickels. So I'm going to be counting by 5. So I'm going to go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So the value of all of these coins is 25. And I need to be very careful to make sure I write the cent sign. 25 cents. Raul has money below. How much money does Raul have? So first I'm going to look. I see they're all pennies, so I'm going to be counting by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Raul has 6 cents. Draw 2 different collections of coins that have the same value as 1 quarter. So I'm trying to draw something that has a value of 1 quarter or 25 cents. So I could represent this different ways. I could draw 25 pennies. I could draw 2 dimes, which is 10, 20, and a nickel, which is going to get me my 25. I could represent it with dime, which is 10, nickel, which would get me to 15, nickel, which is going to get me to 25. I could represent it with a dime and then 15 pennies. I could break up this nickel and do dime, dime, and 5 pennies. There are different ways I could represent 25. I could represent it with 5 nickels. What are the values of the collection of coins below? So I'm going to look first at my coins. Well, I see I have dime, nickel, nickel, penny, penny. So I'm going to say 10, adding 5 more is 15, adding 5 more is 20, 21, 22. This set of coins has a value of 22 cents. I see dime, dime, nickel, nickel, penny. So I'm going to go 10, 20, 25, 30, 31. That is a value of 31 cents. And then I see dime, 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 nickel, penny, penny, and this is the new penny. So I'm going to go 10, 20, 30, 35, 36, 37,